right under here. It's more like a lift where we kind of push this up right there. Let me drop the arms off of there. That's a start. It's all right.
I don't know that it's ever been cracked like that. Holy cow.
That's gonna bring blood to your head. It's gonna make you warm, clammy.
Yes, it is. Very much so.
It's gonna be kind of like a little bit different. I'm gonna put you through the ringer today if you haven't realized that just yet, right?
That's what I need, and that's why I came down here, because my chiropractor doesn't do, I'd be in and out already. I needed everything to be put back in on the deep, deep level.
But also to process it too.
Yes.